The Citroen C4 appeared as yet another fashion statement for the French automobile manufacturer's C-segment class, replacing the popular Xsara model in 2004. Sharing its platform and engine with the Peugeot 307, the C4's base body style was a hatchback, but it was also available as either a 5-door sedan or a 3-door coupe. The double chevron brand logo in the front fascia and its unique styling helped create the interesting automotive persona that has traditionally characterized Citroen automobiles. Even the interior of the new C4 featured unique touches, such as a steering wheel with a fixed position center pad and digital meters on the center dash. The sportiest C4 model in the lineup was the 2.0 VTS Coupe. Under its hood was a DOHC inline-4 that produced 178 bhp and 151.8 lb-ft of torque. It came mated with a 5-speed manual transmission that helped the car exhibit a sporty nature. An eye-catching rear spoiler was also added to give it that sharp, rally car look. And speaking of rallying, the C4 Coupe served as the base machine for the company's World Rally Championship (WRC) race car. The team's lead driver Sebastian Loeb achieved 8 wins in 2007 and 11 wins in 2008, securing the Drivers' Championships for both years. Loeb went on to win 5 championships in a row, becoming the first driver in WRC history to accomplish this, featuring